Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning design of amazing videos. So I will more fantastic videos. Keep more fantastic and fabulous videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos, newly attractive things, attractive gorgeous videos of crochet blouses ideas, crochet blouses videos with many attractive things, with many attractive look and many more gorgeous videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly videos. Keep studying, keep more fantastic and fabulous videos of just looking fantastic designs ideas. We have to upload it for you, and different blouses, suburbs and different topics, different gorgeous videos and just perfect videos I have shared with you. I have shared newly videos. Keep watching. Stay will be amazing. Stay will be connect and just gorgeous videos of blouses videos we have to share with the daily basis videos, daily basis ideas, just perfect videos, just looking amazing videos and more attractive things, more attractive looks, gorgeous designs and just gorgeous amazing videos and amazing videos, gorgeous ideas and for more creative, more stunning design. So I will more fantastic designs, fantastic videos of top blouses and gorgeous designs and different topic things, different topics ideas, just amazing videos every time available in totally videos, totally designs. Keep watching and stay will be amazing. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all daily members will be connect and different topics ideas, just looking amazing videos. I have shared with newly videos of blouses, summer blouses and top blouses, crop top. Just is totally videos we have to share newly videos, attractive things ideas. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.